CapCut has killed it with keyframes. In this video, we'll be editing just a simple video transition. Just a nice, soft, simple, cool, wonderful video transition. And our editing target, the editing subject will be the one and only Hope Michelson from Legacies. You guys might know her. You guys might say, I really even know Hope Michelson, but who do you know her? Who do you know her as? Exactly. So, yep. Just take 5 pictures. Let's go 5 pictures of our subjects. And I'll be using an audio. Now, the thing about this audio is that I don't know if it's copyrighted, so they might hit me one nice claim, copyright claim on this video. But it's all for you guys. It's paining me, but I got no choice. The song is kind of dope. I'll play it for you guys now, so you guys hear it. So that's it. Such a wonderful song. So I'm going to use that, but I'm not going to use everything, like the whole song. I'm just going to cut the place it started. Okay, yeah, this place. So I'm going to be using only keyframes for this transition. So when it says bye, go like bye. So go like that. I don't know how Lauren did this stuff. I'm not going to say who Lauren is if you guys don't know. Sorry for you guys. I don't know how she did this stuff. That she don't be editing and be talking, and it will be actually interesting. It actually will be interesting. Anyway, let's see how it goes. This is my first time doing this kind of stuff. So it's supposed to fade in slowly, then pop up here again. Yeah, so I'll add a keyframe there. So it'll be like 1, 2, 3. This is weird. I'm going to be using keyframes. I would actually use keyframes though, like just for editing transition. But this is the first. It might be your first too. Grab your phone. Let's go together. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So the time is too slow. So go like, then it should come back here. Come back here, so yep. Let me bring in half of the face, so we'll go like 1, 2, 3, 4. So they even said 1, 2, 3, 4 in the song, so that means I'm on the right track, right? So 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. So run this like this. So let's see how it's looking. Yeah. So I'll cut it right here, then bring it to the normal frame so it can be like it started all over from the beginning. Yep. So, yeah. Exactly. So we like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You guys might think I'll edit everything in this video right here, but I won't. It's too long. It's gonna be too long. How many minutes is it? How many minutes is the video? 5:04. 5:04. I'll play the I'll do keyframe editing for the rest of the video. I'll post just this screen recording on another video so you guys can see the tutorial and stuff. But check it out, check it out, check it out. if there's copyright claim on this, I'll put it in the comments below. I'll put it in the description below rather. And if you guys don't follow, I'm deleting this video. Yes. I'm just joking, I'm not deleting the video, not possible. It's stressful. It's too stressful to be deleted. So that's all. Peace. Let me screen record my screen. I'm going to cut that face out because I'm not supposed to tell you I'm supposed to screen record my screen.